guys, nandito kami sa Niagara Falls. Try namin yung boat tour. Ay ka na mami, hi. Ayan, may mga ganito kami para hindi kami mabasa masyado. Look at that. Ayan. Diyan kami sasakay guys.
Alright guys. Akala niya, hanginan yun. Akala mo nilipad rin.
Okay lang yan, maglipad na sa Niagara naman siya. Ang ganda guys, oh my god. Amazing, look at that. Oh my god.
Safety announcement. For your safety, this boat is equipped with all necessary and proper life-saving and firefighting equipment. Life jackets are stored in the labeled storage lockers located throughout the boat.
This is the boat tour. Yan. We're starting now. Look at that. See? Ha, go. Ayan guys, tingnan mo, din ako nakakita sa lamig ko. Oh, nag-drive na siya. Pero ang ganda niya. Basa na ako. Okay lang yan. Enjoy. Oh, here we go. Another one. The Canadian Falls.
Biggest waterfall in the world, volume of water flowing at an average of 7 gallons per second, or 670 meters wide. And the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 5 feet. Witness the awesome natural beauty of Niagara.
Ayan guys, pabalik na kami. Pasang sisip na kami. So after nito, punta na kami ng hotel para mag-change outfit naman. Yan, the best guys. Niagara.
Well done.